We get that question in our office all the time. What is in my estate when I pass away? Because a lot of times someone will come into the office and they'll have these very detailed points that they want to make sure to put into their will about where all their things go, when they don't really understand what is actually included in your estate or your probate estate. If you have an IRA or a 401k or any kind of retirement account, which most people, the bulk of their wealth is in now, those funds will go to wherever the beneficiary that are listed on those accounts. So those accounts more than likely are going to not go into that person's estate. So your will have nothing to say about that unless you don't list a beneficiary with that company. That's the same goes for life insurance. Any kind of benefits that you have with your company. Your home, if you have home or real estate, if you own it with your spouse or with someone else, and those pieces of property are owned in what's called survivorship, then when you pass away, that property is automatically owned by the other person that you own it with in survivorship. So that property doesn't go into your estate. You can go to a bank where you have checking, savings, money markets, or CDs, and you can add somebody on those accounts as what's called TOD, or transfer on death. And when you do that, those assets don't go into your estate. They transfer to the person that you have listed with the bank. So what ends up going into your estate is vehicles or any of those, the real estate, the retirement accounts, or the bank accounts that I listed if you don't have another beneficiary listed.